I found a YouTube channel that's doing something truly unique, something no other creator is doing right now. What's amazing is they're earning a ton of money every month from their content. In this video, I'll walk you through how to start your own channel in this same special category. I'm so confident in this method that I'm challenging myself to hit 1,000 subscribers in just 30 days. And I'll be sharing the entire process so you can follow along. The channel I'm talking about is called Paint Explainer. And after studying it closely, I have to say the creator is brilliant. I've been watching their growth for months, and many of my viewers have asked me to analyze their success. Here's why it's so impressive. They've gained over 1.1 million subscribers with only 85 videos. The videos themselves have a clever but simple format that really stands out. Based on Social Blade estimates, they're likely making over $10,000 monthly just from ad revenue. Today, I'll break down exactly how to create videos like theirs, starting completely from scratch. Let me explain what makes this niche special. The channel we're looking at creates educational videos about historical events, disasters, and true crime cases. What sets them apart is their incredibly simple style. They use basic Microsoft Paint illustrations throughout their videos. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to make similar graphics later in this tutorial. Now, let's begin by setting up your YouTube channel properly. Most beginners make a critical mistake here that hurts their chances right from the start. Did you know YouTube sees approximately 100,000 new channels created every single day? With the algorithm constantly evolving, it's become very cautious about new accounts. When you create a brand new channel, YouTube's system initially flags it as potentially automated. To avoid this red flag, you need to prove you're a real human creator. The best approach is to either use an existing Google account that's at least a few months old, or if using a new account, actively use it for 3+ weeks before creating your channel. Watch videos, like content, subscribe to channels, and build some activity history. If you skip this important step and immediately start uploading videos with a fresh account, your channel might get shadow banned without warning, meaning your content won't get shown to viewers. Once your account is ready, focus on completing your channel setup thoroughly. Choose a clear, memorable name, write a detailed description, create professional branding, logo and banner. I've prepared special AI prompts you can use with ChatGPT and Leonardo AI to generate all these elements easily. For channel tags, I recommend using Rapid Tags Generator. Simply enter keywords related to your niche, and it will provide optimized tag suggestions. Paste these into your channel settings under This Channel, along with selecting your country. This completes the essential branding foundation. Next up is planning your content. This is super important. You might believe you can just create a channel and post random videos, but that's not smart. You'll end up wasting lots of time. Instead, you need to really understand your topic area and figure out what viewers enjoy watching. The smartest approach? Look at other successful channels in your niche and write down their most popular video topics. Then, you can use ChatGPT to help brainstorm similar ideas. Here's what I did. I made a list of the most viral videos from the channel we're studying. Now, I'll use a special ChatGPT prompt, which I'll share with you, to create even more video ideas based on these successful examples. So far, this method has given us 20 great video topics that are similar to what's already working well. Now that we have our video topic ready, the next crucial step is crafting an engaging script. The secret to a successful script lies in creating an immediate hook, something that grabs viewers' attention within the first few seconds. Throughout the script, we need to maintain an interesting flow that keeps the audience engaged until the very end. For this particular niche, I've developed a specialized ChatGPT prompt that helps generate perfect scripts every time. Here's how it works. Simply copy the prompt, insert your chosen video topic, in this case, we're using the most mysterious disappearances in history, and let the AI work its magic. As you can see, the generated script meets all our requirements. It's compelling, well-structured, and perfectly suited for our needs. With our script finalized, we'll now transform it into a professional voiceover using ElevenLabs. The process couldn't be simpler. Select a natural-sounding narrator voice. I've found Adam works exceptionally well for storytelling. Paste your complete script and generate the audio. This straightforward approach ensures we get high-quality voiceovers that bring our scripts to life without any complicated editing or production work. The entire process from script to voiceover can be completed in just minutes, yet it delivers professional results that will make your videos stand out. Now we reach the most exciting part: creating those unique, artistic visuals you've been waiting for. While you could manually draw these images in Paint if you have the time and skill, we'll use AI tools for faster, professional results. Here's my efficient workflow. First, I'll train ChatGPT to understand our desired art style by uploading reference images and providing clear instructions. This teaches the AI to generate similar visuals. For example, when I describe 3 lighthouse keepers stationed on a remote Scottish island, ChatGPT produces a detailed prompt we can use across different AI image generators. You have multiple options for generating these images. Leonardo AI, my first choice for quality. ChatGPT's own image generator, surprisingly effective. Supplement with real images from Google searches. Once you've collected all your visuals, we'll move to editing in CapCut. Don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. Just start a new project. Import your voiceover and all images. Arrange images to match the narration. Add text layers, found in the top menu, to emphasize key points. Notice how I've blended AI-generated images with real photographs of the incident, along with strategically placed text elements. This creates a dynamic, professional-looking video. Once everything is done, simply export the video. Let's have a look what we made.
Imagine this. It was a quiet Wednesday afternoon in 1971. Just another routine flight from Portland to Seattle. But then, a man in a business suit lit a cigarette, calmly sipped his bourbon, and handed a note to the flight attendant. She assumed it was his number, until he whispered, "Miss, you'd better read that. I have a bomb." That man was D.B. Cooper, and what followed became the only unsolved skyjacking in American history. A mystery so strange, so cinematic, that it feels like fiction. But it's all true, and he was never seen again. D.B. Cooper wasn't the name on his ticket. That was Dan Cooper, likely borrowed from a Belgian comic book hero. But thanks to a media error, D.B. stuck. Over 50 years later, it's the name etched in legend. So who was he? Witnesses described him as calm, polite even. Mid-40s, dark suit, black tie, clip-on. No nerves, no rage. Just business. He even paid for his drink.
You can use this exact same method to make longer videos in this niche too. But here's some real talk. When you're just starting out, don't stress if your first few videos don't blow up overnight. Views don't matter right away. If you created a brand new email for your channel, take time to warm it up first. Use it to watch and interact with other videos for a while before uploading your own. The key is staying consistent and sticking with it. Keep creating, keep improving, and the results will come.